Hey guys, today we're making some chicken katsu curry. So first you want to peel your vegetables and feed carrot peels to your rabbit if you have one. Now you're going to wash your potatoes and then cut them into the desired shape and size. After you're done with the potatoes, you're going to cut your carrot into thin slices. I'm not gonna lie, my slices are not very that thin, but you know, I sliced them even more. There you go. After putting your veggies away, we're gonna take a clove of garlic and then mince the garlic. We're going to cut the chicken up. Cut the chicken up? Okay, for the chicken, you can use chicken breast or chicken thighs or whatever part you want. Or basically any type of meat you want. So for the chicken katsu, which is like the fried chicken part, we were going to butterfly the chicken, and that basically is like just to flatten the piece of chicken out. For the chicken seasoning, which I haven't filmed because I forgot, it's just a mix of garlic powder, salt, pepper, paprika, and just add whatever you want. Now for the curry, you're going to need a block of butter, like add as much as you feel like is enough. And you can also add some oil if you would like, because that's what I did. Now you can add the chicken cubes and then the vegetables. The reason why I'm stir frying the chicken and the vegetables is to make sure that the chicken is well cooked before adding the water in. Now that the chicken has cooked, you can add 2 cups of water. Now you're going to let the mixture boil for 15 minutes, and then you could add the curry blocks. Now that the cubes have softened up, you're going to mix it well into the katsu or the curry, and then let it simmer and give it a taste. Now we're going to use a flour mix to make the batter, and then we're going to use some breadcrumbs for the coating. Now take a piece of chicken, dip it into the batter, and then you're going to coat it with the breadcrumbs. It's also called panko. Repeat this process until you're out of chicken pieces, and also to make sure that it's ready, you have to look at the color and oh my god, alright, that was almost like a jump scare. To make sure that it's ready, you have to look at the color and see if it's like a light golden brown. That's when you know it's ready. And there you go. That's the finished product. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.